8 Crochet Super Mario Characters patterns. The project from Crochet is a downloadable PDF crochet pattern for a bouquet of man-eating plants. It is designed for advanced crocheters who are familiar with basic stitches. The project from the Nomad Knot is a downloadable crochet amigurumi pattern for Yoshi, part of her Geek Friends collection. The project from Azalea Crochet is a downloadable PDF crochet pattern for an amigurumi Luma from Super Mario Galaxy. The pattern is considered perfect for beginners. A downloadable PDF crochet pattern by Stevie Hill of Crown Country Crochet allows crafters to create their own 3-dimensional Princess Peach doll. A downloadable PDF crochet pattern for a Plumber Hero doll, which is recognized as Mario design by Stevie Hill of Crown Country Crochet, is perfect for intermediate crochets. A downloadable PDF crochet pattern set by Stevie Hill of Crown Country Crochet for the Plumber Hero team, featuring both Mario and Luigi fan art dolls. The project from Cotswolds Crochet, owned by Harriet Risley Pritchard, is a digital PDF crochet pattern for an amigurumi Bowser doll suitable only for extremely experienced crocheters. The project from Crown Country Crochet, a star seller designed by Stevie Hill, is a downloadable PDF crochet pattern for a Daisy doll perfect for intermediate crocheters. Find all these patterns and more on theyarncrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.